it's about time that we reform our tax system. More taxes for the rich, less taxes for the poor. It's as simple as that. A flat rate proposal of say 10% for a certain amount of income monthly. Pagka yung kumikita ng less than 20%, 20,000 a month, dapat halos wala ng tax yun. Pagka 20 to around a certain, well, a study can be made on this to have more concrete numbers, Pero something to that effect. The low income, huwag mo nang i-tax because they pay the taxes buying things, There are taxes embedded in the things, Pero in the upper level, as you go up, then there should be more taxes for the upper echelon of society. That's the reform that I'm looking at. I don't have the details or the exact numbers now, but I am willing to support something to that effect very soon.
So, sir, how is that in line po with your vision of governance?
The administration that we need right now, and this is my opinion, must have real political will. The problem with the past presidents that we've had, and with due respect to them, most of them have been elected because they were helped by big businesses, by big businessmen. So when they're in office, they have to pay back. And the big businesses do not want to be hurt. They do not want to lessen their steak that is 16 ounces. They don't want to eat 8 ounces. They just want to eat 16 ounces. Even if the poor don't have a galunggong to eat. That's the problem with the big business. So, when things like this, or proposals like this, tax reforms in particular, are proposed, maglalabi ka agad yun. The big business groups will lobby right away. So we need a president with a political will that will be doing, you will have a very decisive, and as much as possible was not elected by big business groups, but elected by the people. That's my dream, my perspective, my opinion.